Hello, everyone. My name is Juan Camilo Carrascal, and today I will talk about a relevant topic as language students, that is the five hypotheses of Krashen's theory of second language acquisition. First of all, we need to know what are they. So, the acquisition of learning hypothesis, the comprehensible input hypothesis, the monitor hypothesis, the natural order hypothesis, and finally, the affective filter hypothesis. When we talk about the acquisition learning hypothesis, we need to specify what is acquisition and what is learning. Because when learning a language, it is related with conscious knowledge that we acquire by learning the structures and rules from a language. For example, the grammar rules that we need to learn in order to use the language properly. But on the other hand, when acquiring a language, it refers to the subconscious process of learning, similar to the way we learn our native language, which in other words are all the things acquired by the interaction with the field and with people. For example, the interaction with native people when we learn a second language will result into a meaningful knowledge because it will be related with daily life ways of communication. Now we have comprehensible input. Comprehensible input attempts to explain how the learner acquires a second language. It is more concerned with acquiring but not learning, due to the fact that the learner connects prior knowledge about some specific topic, and then he applies the knowledge when he or she is exposed to a daily life situation. For example, when the learners are exposed to prior knowledge about numbers in the situation, they will tend to link the words with some image they have in their heads about its composition. And another example, when people are learning English because of maybe with numbers, and with colors, uh, they will tend to link those images that they have in their brain from their native language, and then will apply it to the second language acquisition. And now we have the monitor hypothesis, because it refers to the contribution from the learner grammar rules and the accuracy of usage when expressing ideas. Therefore, it means that the monitor hypothesis centers its attention to the correctness of rules, and it can result also, when we use it a lot, it can result in a problem with fluency. For example, when we do self-correction and we apply it when there is an improper use of a grammar rule. Now we have the natural order hypothesis. The natural order hypothesis will tend to link and it will be more connected with the idea that some grammar rules and structures are first learned than the other ones. For example, learners in English will tend to understand and use the ing form of the verbs before the s from the third person, given that some structures will be implemented quicker than other ones. Because we see in this example, even though these students know the mistake he's making, he's not able to correct it immediately, because then it is the knowledge that they will acquire over time, and it will be related with the knowledge that they will be acquiring in a natural way. Finally, we have the affective filter, and it is one of the most important ones, because this hypothesis states that some affective and emotional variables will take an important role in the acquisition of a second language, due to the fact that they will be exposed to frustration, motivational issues, anxiety, self-confidence troubles, and personality traits. Also, according to krashen, it claims that learners with high motivation, self-confidence, and a good self-image, a low level of anxiety and extroversion, are better equipped for success in a second language acquisition. But on the other hand, individuals with the opposite negative variables could exhibit an important raise in the affection filter, resulting in a mental block. In other words, when the filter is up, it inhibits language acquisition. So that's all I need to say today. Thank you so much.